Welcome back. In the last video, we have completed the setup of our bootstrap. In this video, we will be setting up the basic template for our to-do. So we will be following this link. So let's jump into our coding part. So if you will see here, I have removed all the boilerplate code provided by Angular and also removed from the TypeScript file. Now we will start from the first step. The first step, we will be using these many modules, and this is the service for the snack bar. So we will directly not start from here, rather than we will start from this command. So first we will have the container as a temp in our template. So this is bootstrap container. We will be having mat card, and it will be having the form, to do form. So paste within this container, enter. So here we can see some error related to mat card and then mat form field. So we will now going to take one by one. So first mat card, mat form field, and mat input module. So these three we need. Go to our app module, paste, and Alt Shift F to format the file. And then after if we see the template, we should not see the error. This error is now not there, but we have this function. So let's just create the basic function, empty function. So our template is happy now, and we can reload our application. We can see the form. Now we are using this button, so we need the button module also. So now our button is working fine. Let's go to the bootstrap table to view the to do section. So after mat card and paste it, now we can see mat checkbox error, mat icon error. Go to home module section, and checkbox and icon module we need. So go to module again, paste it. Button module we already imported. So still, let's see, yeah, error is gone, but we have to save this file. So now we can see this to do view part. Now we need the pagination section. Copy this, paste, no error, so it will work since it is the bootstrap section only. Now we need when we click here, so we have to show the snack bar, since currently it is refreshing the page. So to fix this, we have to say type button currently. We will fix this later. Now when we click, nothing will happen. So let's implement basic snack bar. So we need two property, horizontal position and vertical position. So paste here. So horizontal position is end and vertical position is top. Means at this area it will display the notification or snack bar. And copy this service. So it has some issue in the import, so we will copy this import from here. Now we are getting mat snack bar error, so we have to import snack bar module. So now when we click on the submit, we can see this snake bar or notification. So our setup of the to do project is completed.